Hello guys, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today I'm going to show you how to do the microwave synthesis method. So this is the microwave that available in our lab. So this is the brand is the Flexi from milestoneesrl.com. You can check the price and so on. Okay, what inside I already put my sample inside. So this is like a Teflon for the hydrothermal, but the mechanism are using microwave. So we have 3 samples here, and one of the sample is attached with the thermal sensor, so we can detect the temperature over the period of time. Okay, next I'm going to show you how to set the parameter using a small machine here. Okay, this is to rotate your sample. Okay, you can also watch, this is the camera. So for example, we rotate here, you can observe the movement of the camera, and when you go here you can see that your sample is rotating. So make sure everything is put, the holder you put to make sure your sample is stable. And if you have 3 samples, you need to put the balancing, you need to put balance to each other, means the distance is balanced and the thermal sensor is on place. Okay, so that's all. We can close, and from here what we're going to do is we're going to set the parameter. So how we going to set the parameter? Just click here and click the method. Okay, this is the method, so we key in the parameter. For example, in this case I want my final temperature to be 120. Okay, this one also sustained temperature is 120 degrees Celsius, and you need to know your ramping and also your retaining temperature. The number 2 is the retaining temperature. I want to retain for 2 hours. Is it too much for 2 hours? Let me double check. Okay, because this is the preliminary experiment, we can try to set to 2 hours. So 02 means that I will do the experiment for 2 hours. And the ramping time, okay, from the room temperature 25 to 120, you want to do how many degree per minute? Normally people are using either 4 degree per minute or 5 degree per minute. So because I'm doing here 5 degree per minute, so it becomes 19. So I will put 19 there. So we'll be ramping for 19 minutes, and that's all. So we need to, this is the watt that we're going to put is 1000 watt, and just save the procedure. So what happened is your sample will be ramping from 25 to 120 for 19 minutes and retain the temperature for 2 hours. Then you just can click the start button. Okay, that's all. Longer than 2 hours, is it correct? So you just click yes, and that's all. Okay, bye.